Okay, so I wanted to make a quick little video about how to log in to Picasaweb so that you can leave comments um, and delete your comments if you wanted to. So I just opened up a browser. I'm using this is Safari, which is Apple's browser. You can download it for any PC as well as any Apple. But these instructions are the same regardless of which browser you're on. So what I'm going to do is go up to the address bar and I'm going to type in, I'm not actually going to type it in because it's already there, picasaweb.google.com. And if I go to Picasaweb, oops, it looks like I will type it in, picasaweb.google.com, it's going to take me to the home screen for Picasaweb, which is going to ask me then for my Google account. And as you can see, it's kind of defaulting to the Jackson Tucky's Google account. But I don't want to log in as that. So I'm going to say sign in as a different user. And then you'll see the screen, the standard login screen, which is probably what most people would see, certainly the first time they try to log in. So the email that you use is your Gmail account. So if your email account, like in my case, is TuckyS1. Oh, hold on, I'm getting a little error over message on the other screen here. TuckyS1 at gmail.com. Oops, .com. And as long as I typed it in right, and then I type in my password correctly, which is I love tomatoes. I'm kidding, it's not, but and then I hit sign in, I should see the following screen. I should see my, as in TuckyS1, my home screen, which is my Picasaweb home. So basically what this does is it guarantees that I am logged in and now I can go right to my albums. These are all the albums that I have, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to go to these albums. What instead I want to do is go to the Jackson Tuckies. So back up in the URL up here up top, I'm going to go to picasaweb.google.com/jackson.tuckies. And once this comes into the browser's memory, once it's used to you going to this place, then it probably isn't going to ask you to type much. After that, you'll just start typing and then it'll come up with a suggestion. So depending on the browser you're using. So I hit the key, hit the enter key, and it's going to take me to the Jackson Tuckies albums. However, I'm going to be logged in as TuckyS1. So I can view all of these albums because TuckyS1 can view all the albums. And up here, importantly, I'm highlighting it, you'll see right next to new features the name of the account that is currently logged in. So I'm currently logged in as TuckyS1. If I wanted to, I could go over here and sign out and then log in as another Gmail account if I wanted to. And then I'm able to access any of the albums. But now, since I'm logged in, when I try to leave a comment, it will automatically say, hey, you're TuckyS1, so I'm going to attach your name to any comment. So, for example, I was talking with my dad about these date uncertain photos. So if I wanted to, I could go in here and click on any one of these photos. Let's say I wanted to make a comment about this photo of my great aunt Marjorie. If I wanted to, I could go down here and you can see already it's got my name and links to my photos and my profile over here. If I type in my comment, I can type in any comment that I want, hit post, and the comment will appear. And more importantly, at any time, I, as logged in as TuckyS1, am able to delete that comment by clicking the little red X in the box next to the comment. Nobody else can delete my comment except the person who owns the photo and me. I have to say OK, and poof, it's gone. Hope that helps.